Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Escape, 2001 to 2004? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Ford Escape protects various electrical circuits related to interior functions. It controls components such as the power windows, radio, interior lights, and instrument panel. The fuses ensure safe operation by breaking the circuit during electrical overloads. Each fuse is rated for a specific amperage to match the connected accessory. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2003 and 2004 Ford Escape manages circuits for interior electronics like the audio system, power windows, courtesy lights, and climate control. It includes fuses and relays that protect these components from electrical faults. The layout is designed for easy identification and maintenance. Each fuse corresponds to a specific amperage and function. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2001 and 2002 Ford Escape safeguards key engine and powertrain systems, including the ignition, fuel pump, ABS, and cooling fans. It houses high-amperage fuses and relays for critical components. This setup helps prevent damage from electrical overloads or short circuits. Each fuse is designated for specific engine-related functions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2003 and 2004 Ford Escape protects essential systems such as the engine control unit, fuel system, ABS, and cooling fans. It contains high-capacity fuses and relays to manage power distribution and system safety. This fuse box ensures reliable operation of critical vehicle functions. Each fuse is tailored to the electrical load of its component. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.